This is the continuation of the solving of this question. We did this in a previous episode using a certain method. In this episode, we want to use the second method, or better still, we can say that the alternate method. In this case, what we are going to do here is to write this from logarithm into indices. Write all of the logarithm given to us. Log A base 2 is 3, log B base 2 is minus 2, log C base 2 is 5. So in the evaluation of this, we find what the A is to replace in this logarithm. So from the beginning, if I have the log of A base 2 equals to 3, from the laws of indices and logarithm, this is the base that the number must be raised to give us this, meaning our A will be equals to 2 exponent of 3. You see that? 2 exponent 3 equals to A. Then, if I take the second one, going to be the log of B base 2 equals to our negative 2. This also means that B will be equals to this 2 raised to the power negative 2. So from logarithm, we come to indices. The third one is going to be the log of C base 2 equals to 5. We know this C will be equals to 2 exponent of 5. So our A is known, our B is known, our C is known. So now we are going to substitute that into the place of A and B. So taking this to be the log of 8 base 2 multiplying A exponent of 5, B, C exponent of 3. So we can do substitution, just putting the values. So let's go. The logarithm of 8 base 2, taking this, whenever I see A, I am putting in 2 exponent of 3. But there's already a 5 there as an exponent, so we indicate times B. Where is B? 2 exponent of negative 2 divided by C, which is going to be 2 exponent 5 in the case of this. But the C is having a power of what? 3. So this will also have a power of 3. I think you can see, you can manage that. This is 2 exponent 5 raised to the power 3. So we can be able to multiply. From the laws of indices, if I have 2 exponent of 3 raised to the power 5, the exponent multiply to give us 2 exponent of 15, which is also in the case of this 3, 5, 15. So to simplify further, we are going to have our logarithm of 8, the base of 2, times the numerator become 2 exponent of 15 times 2 exponent of minus 2 divided by 2 exponent of 15 per the multiplication of the powers. And what can you see? You can see we can also write the square root to be a power of half. But in this case, I am seeing base 2, indices. If I have the base be the same, I add the exponent, meaning I'll be having 2 exponent 15 times 2 exponent minus 2. We add the powers. That gives you 2 exponent what? 13 at the numerator. So we have the log of 8 base 2. This is going to be 2 exponent of 13, 2 exponent of what? 15. And can you see base 2 dividing? So we subtract the powers. 13 minus 15 give you negative 2. So we continue by writing the log of 8 base 2 times the root of 2 exponent negative 2. So in the case of this, you can see that we can now write the square root as a power of half. and that would be the log of 8 base 2 times 2 exponent minus 2 raised to the power half. So we know that the powers will multiply, just like we multiply the powers as they are here. So negative 2 times half, that's half of negative 2, will give you 1, but negative. So I'll be having the log of 8 base 2 times 2 exponent minus 1. But I can see this guy to be a base of 2. So I'll have the logarithm of 2 exponent 3 base 2 logarithm of what? Negative 1 exponent. I believe you know where I'm going. I have the same base. Still, if I put this in a bracket, I am still solving them as indices. So the same base. So we add the exponent. So 3 plus negative 1 give you a positive 2. So in the case of this, let's manage this space. We are going to have the logarithm of this 2, exponent of 2 base 2. Do you see that? Then we are seeing a power law, meaning this power is coming forward to multiply the log of 2 base 2. A logarithm of a number to the same base give you 1. Therefore, this is going to be 1 times 2 will give you 2. So the value that we are looking for the evaluation of this is also going to be 2. Just like we did in the first method, we get the same answer. I guess you follow? Compare the two and see which one resonates well with you. Don't forget to share with somebody, like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.